Imagine a world where your cargo arrives exactly when it's supposed to, every single time. Welcome to the reality of express cargo, where exceptional service isn't just a promise, it's a guarantee. First, hear from John, a small business owner who thrives on the reliability of our services. My products always reach their destination right on time, and the condition is just as perfect as when they left my warehouse, he shares, his voice brimming with satisfaction. Then there's Maria, an artist who ships her delicate sculptures across the globe. I was always worried about damage during transit, but since I switched to express cargo, those fears have vanished. They treat my artwork as if it's their own, she tells us, her relief palpable. Or take it from Sam, a logistics manager at a multinational corporation. I've worked with numerous cargo services, but none of them match the efficiency and professionalism of express cargo. They've truly set a new standard in the industry, he states, his voice echoing the trust and confidence he places in our services. These stories aren't anomalies. They're the norm at express cargo. We ensure that every package, regardless of size or destination, gets the same level of care and attention. What makes us stand out, you ask? The testimonials speak for themselves. On-time deliveries, pristine condition of goods, unparalleled customer service. These are the pillars that define express cargo. So, whether you're a small business owner, an artist, or a logistics manager at a multinational corporation, express cargo has you covered. Because at the end of the day, our mission is to deliver not just your cargo, but also peace of mind. Experience the express cargo difference today. Because exceptional service is not just what we do, it's who we are.